Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Notes Said 24 channel. Today we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In the morning, we prepare breakfast every day. Sometimes we feel hungry and want to eat fast. Sometimes we do not know what to cook. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences for preparing breakfast. We will practice daily breakfast actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing, and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video, because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. If you practice all 50 sentences with me today, I promise you will feel the difference. Your speaking will become smoother. Your confidence will become stronger. So here's what you need to do right now. Get comfortable. Maybe grab a notebook and a pen. Find a quiet place where you can speak out loud. Turn off all distractions. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes, because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 50 sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right, welcome, and let's start and enjoy learning English.
I wake up early to make breakfast. I wake up early to make breakfast. I feel hungry in the morning. I feel hungry in the morning. I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. I open the fridge and look inside. I open the fridge and look inside. There is no bread, so I toast rice cakes. There is no bread, so I toast rice cakes. I take eggs from the fridge. I take eggs from the fridge. One egg is broken, so I use another one. One egg is broken, so I use another one. I crack the eggs into a bowl. I crack the eggs into a bowl. I add a little salt to the eggs. I add a little salt to the eggs. I mix the eggs with a fork. I mix the eggs with a fork. The pan is cold, so I turn on the stove. The pan is cold, so I turn on the stove. I heat the pan on low flame. I heat the pan on low flame. The pan is hot, so I add oil. The pan is hot, so I add oil. I pour the eggs into the pan. I pour the eggs into the pan. The eggs stick, so I stir gently. The eggs stick, so I stir gently. I cook the eggs until soft. I cook the eggs until soft. I like my eggs simple and plain. I like my eggs simple and plain. I cut tomatoes for breakfast. I cut tomatoes for breakfast. The knife is dull, so I cut slowly. The knife is dull, so I cut slowly. I wash the vegetables well. I wash the vegetables well. I put fruit on a clean plate. I put fruit on a clean plate. I feel thirsty, so I make tea. I feel thirsty, so I make tea. I boil water in a kettle. I boil water in a kettle. The water is hot, so I add tea leaves. The water is hot, so I add tea leaves. I add milk to the tea. I add milk to the tea. The tea is strong, so I add water. The tea is strong, so I add water. I add sugar to taste. I add sugar to taste. I stir the tea and smile. I stir the tea and smile. I toast bread in the toaster. I toast bread in the toaster. The toast is burnt, so I make new toast. The toast is burnt, so I make new toast. I spread butter on the toast. I spread butter on the toast. I add jam for sweetness. I add jam for sweetness. I set the table neatly. I set the table neatly. I put a spoon and a plate. I put a spoon and a plate. I sit down to eat breakfast. I sit down to eat breakfast. The food is hot, so I wait. The food is hot, so I wait. I take small bites and relax. I take small bites and relax. I enjoy a calm morning meal. I enjoy a calm morning meal. I feel full after breakfast. I feel full after breakfast. I drink water after eating. I drink water after eating. I clean the table after breakfast. I clean the table after breakfast. I wash the dishes right away. I wash the dishes right away. The sink is full, so I drain it. The sink is full, so I drain it. I wipe the counter clean. I wipe the counter clean. I pack some food for later. I pack some food for later. I feel ready to start my day. I feel ready to start my day.
Great job today! You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.